You may be asking, Poppy, what are you doing? Those are just cobs. Well, there's way more flavor in the cobs than there are in the kernels. Observe. Soup time. Here's a little secret. Pretty sure every soup recipe starts with an onion. Remember these? Poppy's rule, never throw out the flavor. A great tip for saving time in the kitchen is to get your fishmonger to cook the lobster beforehand. They know how. They do it all the time.
Oh, these must be the big guns Poppy was talking about.
Lobster is always something we would eat on Sunday nights when we would order Chinese takeout when I was a kid. It's kind of a Jewish tradition. I used to eat the legs like candy. Perfect bisque is always as smooth as corn silk.
Buttery, golden bread. Now I see how Poppy is upping the dish.
This dish is gonna be my butter half.